assemble. Crane truck.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Done!
Round and round go.
Help the car make its way. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road.
The bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wipers on
Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle.
all through the town.
That's all.
The wheels on the bus.
Let's install the roof. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Crane truck.